All right, what if you could have a full AI agent workspace sitting right on your computer using one of the sharpest AI models available right now, doing real work on your actual files? Not a chat window, not a browser tab, a proper desktop app where the AI reads your project, writes code, reviews its own changes, and walks you through everything step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have it installed and running, Mac, Windows, or Linux. No coding experience needed. Stick around because I'm also going to cover some important things at the end that most tutorials skip over. Every major AI company right now, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, they all have dedicated agent workspaces. Tools where the AI doesn't just answer questions, it actually does things, writes real code, edits real files, plans and executes multi-step tasks. But those tools come with expensive monthly subscriptions. They run in the cloud, and honestly, they're overwhelming to set up if you're not already technical. DeepSeek is one of the best AI models available right now, but there's no official desktop workspace for it until someone built one. This is DeepSeek GUI. It's an open source desktop app that turns DeepSeek into a full AI agent workspace. You point it at a folder on your computer, give it a task, and it gets to work, reading files, writing code, making changes, while you watch and stay in control the entire time. Let me show you what it can actually do before we install it. DeepSeek GUI has two main modes. Code mode is where the AI works like a developer inside your project. You select a folder, your actual project files, and tell it what to do. Fix this bug, build this feature, explain what this code does. It works through the task step by step, and every single file change appears in a review panel before anything gets saved. You see exactly what it wants to change, and you approve it or you don't. You're always the final decision maker. Write mode is for documents, blog posts, reports, notes, anything written. It's a clean editor with AI assistance built right in. Highlight any text, and you can ask the AI to rewrite it, shorten it, expand it, or shift the tone. When you're done, export directly as a PDF, Word file, or HTML. There's also a Connect phone feature. You can link it to messaging platforms like Feishu or WeChat and set up scheduled tasks that run automatically in the background. Let's get it installed. Head to DeepSeek-GUI.com, links in the description, and click Download for your operating system. On Windows, you'll get an .exe file. Double-click it and follow the installer prompts and wait for it to install on your computer. Done. Just click here and it will open the tool. When the app opens, you'll see a setup screen. You can change the theme color and pick your language. Then enter your DeepSeek API key, which I'll show you how to get right now. Go to platform.deepseek.com, also linked in the description. Create an account with your email, then head to the API keys section in the left sidebar. Click Create New API Key. Name it something like DeepSeek GUI and hit Create. Copy the key the moment it appears. It's only shown once. Paste it somewhere safe like a Notes app. Treat this key like a password. It's connected to your account, so don't share it publicly. Back in DeepSeek GUI, paste it into the API key field and click Save and Continue. You're in. App is open, key is saved. Let's use it. So you can see on the left side, the tool is already in code mode. We can switch the mode from here. Just keep the code mode and click New Agent. You can change your working directory by clicking this small folder icon, but for now, I'll keep it default. You can also hover on the default to see the directory path. Now let's test the code mode. Just type something like, create a simple HTML web page with a dark header, a welcome message, and a button to change the header colors. Hit enter. You'll see the AI's reasoning stream in real time. It's planning the steps, then writing the file. A new file appears in the workspace, and you can just copy the path to view it in the browser. Here you can see it generated the HTML page with a button to change the header colors. It used DeepSeek V4 Pro model in the backend to generate the page. Back in the tool, here you can see the dashboard about the chat session and everything related to tokens cost and how much cost is saved. That whole thing cost a fraction of a cent and took under a minute. Switch to write mode from the top left. Click New Document and start typing. A blog post, a report, anything. I have tried with a simple prompt for LLMS and RAG for private data. You can highlight any sentence. Hit the export button at the top when you're ready. PDF, Word, or HTML, your choice. All right, two things I want to be transparent about before you wrap up because they matter. On cost. The app itself is open source and free to download. But using the DeepSeek AI requires an API key with a credit balance attached. This is pay as you go. You're charged by usage, not a monthly fee. A few dollars goes a long way. Simple tasks cost fractions of a cent. On the app itself, DeepSeek GUI is not an official product from DeepSeek Inc. It was built by an independent developer and released as open source. That's DeepSeek GUI, a genuinely capable AI agent workspace running right on your machine, giving you full visibility into everything it does. All the links, the app, the DeepSeek API platform, and the GitHub repo are in the description below. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.